Hi everyone. Today I would like to talk about the DataGuard broker and how it simplifies the configuration and setup of DataGuard configuration. Today the vast majority of customers use the broker, but we still find from time to time some customers that prefer using the manual configuration. But I would like to give you some reason to use the broker. So the broker really simplifies the management. You just need to create the configuration and we take care about redo transport configuration, so all the log archive destination parameters, stopping and starting the transport, the apply, and all the parameters that we configure during the setup that match the best practices of the maximum availability architecture team. So this really reduces the risks of misconfiguration, and with the broker we have a continuous health check to make sure that the configuration is always healthy, that there is no lag, that everything works as expected. And on top of that, we give lots of validation command that you can periodically run to make sure that the health status of the standby database and the primary database is always good, so you can run those validation before any maintenance. But then with the broker, we give streamlined role changes. With a single command, you can execute switchovers, failovers, or conversion to the snapshot standby role and back to the physical standby role, or the automatic reinstate of the former primary database after a failover. And the broker is really integrated and centralized management. You can use the command line, you can use SQLcl, you can use PL/SQL APIs, RESTful APIs, or Enterprise Manager to manage a broker configuration. And with this centralized managed approach, you are sure that you always configure the broker and the DataGuard configuration in the correct way. And we integrate the broker with Clusterware and global data services. So in case you use those global data services or real application cluster or Oracle Restart, we integrate with Clusterware. So we rely on it to stop and start the instances. So everything stops and starts with the correct order. And then there are many features that are unique to the broker that you cannot achieve using a manual configuration. Like Fast-Start Failover, or multiple standby databases, or cascaded standby topologies in case you need more advanced topologies. But you can also use FarSync, or you can set up ZDL array destinations or external destination for GoldenGate Downstream capture, for example. So several reasons that I can give you to use the broker. Make sure that you always use it. If you have to set up a new DataGuard configuration and you never use the broker, make sure that you try it, because it will simplify your management so much. And that's all for today. Thank you.